Two homes, same neighborhood, nearly identical floor plans, similar upgrades, one sold in 4 days, the other sat on the market for over 4 months. The difference wasn't the house, it wasn't the neighborhood, it wasn't even the market. The difference happened before buyers ever walked through the front door. If you're thinking about selling your home, the next few minutes could save you thousands of dollars because you only get one market debut, so don't waste it. I'm Eric Degelow with the Degelow Home Team. Welcome to the Seller Revolution, where we challenge outdated real estate advice and show homeowners how to protect one of their largest financial assets. Today we're talking about something almost every seller misunderstands: the first 7 days on the market. Most homeowners believe selling starts when the sign goes in the yard. It doesn't. Selling starts weeks earlier. Imagine you're opening a brand new restaurant. Would you unlock the doors before the tables were even set? Before the menu was finished? Before the kitchen was ready? Of course not. Yet, that's exactly how many homes are listed. The photos aren't finished. The strategy isn't complete. The pricing hasn't been fully analyzed. Repairs are still being made. Then they hope buyers overlook it. Hope isn't a marketing strategy. Preparation is. Now, the lesson number one: the moment your home becomes active, buyers receive alerts, agents receive alerts, your home appears at the top of search results. That's your biggest opportunity. Your home is never more interesting to buyers than the day it becomes new. But after a week, buyers begin asking a different question. Not, can we see it? Instead, they ask, why hasn't it sold? Those 7 days shape everything that follows. Lesson two. Here's a mistake I see all the time. A seller says, let's start high and reduce it later. You absolutely can, but here's what changes. The price isn't the only thing buyers notice. They notice days on market, price reductions, multiple changes, and buyers begin thinking, maybe there's a problem. Sometimes there isn't, but perception matters, and perception affects negotiating power. So the Degelow difference, that's exactly why our team approaches listings differently. We don't believe in simply putting a home into the MLS and hoping it sells. For qualifying homes, we offer a certified pre-owned home program. That may include a pre-listing inspection, help identify issues before buyers ever do. It also includes a home warranty, providing additional buyer confidence. We create professional photography, video, complete marketing strategy before your home goes live. And because every home and seller is different, we also discuss whether our seller guaranteed programs is the right fit for your situation. Why? Because preparation reduces surprises. Confidence creates stronger buyers, and stronger buyers create stronger offers. This isn't luck. There's a system we use. Now, launch it, don't list it. The best agents don't list homes, they launch them. There's a difference between listing, uploading information, and launching, which is building demand. Those aren't the same thing. One creates inventory, the other creates competition. If buyers are competing, you're in a much stronger negotiating position. Before we finish, it's time for this week's Protect Your Equity segment. If you remember only one thing from today's episode, make it this. When you're interviewing realtors, don't ask, what do you think my home is worth? Every realtor has an opinion. Instead, ask this question. Walk me through everything you'll do before my home goes live. Then don't interrupt, just listen. If the answer is, we'll put it on the MLS, we'll take some pictures, we'll put a sign in your yard, and we'll hold an open house. Well, they're describing how they'll list your home, not how they'll launch it. A true launch should include a pricing strategy based on today's competition, not just yesterday's sales, professional photography, and a video completed before day one, recommendations to improve presentation before buyers ever walk through the door, a marketing plan designed to create excitement the moment your home hits the market, a strategy for managing the critical first 7 days, because the quality of your launch often determines the quality of your offers. Now let me tell you how we're different. At the Degelow Home Team, we don't believe in crossing our fingers and hoping everything goes smoothly. For our qualifying homes, our certified pre-owned home program can include a pre-listing inspection, helping uncover potential issues before buyers do. Many sellers also choose to include a home warranty, giving buyers an additional confidence from the very beginning. And before your home ever goes live, we build a launch strategy, not after. Why? Because surprises cost sellers money. Preparation protects negotiation and negotiating power. And strong negotiating power helps your equity. So if you're thinking about selling anywhere in Southwest Florida, before you choose an agent, before you decide on a price, before your home goes live, let's schedule a complimentary pre-launch strategy review. We'll show you how we position your home, how it compares to the competition, which of our seller programs may benefit your situation, and how we'd help you make the strongest possible market debut. No obligation, just a smarter strategy. Remember, you only get one market debut, so protect it. I'm Eric Daigle, and this is the Seller Revolution, because you don't just list your home, you launch it. Now, the next episode, next time I'm going to show you why the highest offer may not actually be the best offer. It may be the worst offer. So see you then. Thank you for watching. This is Eric Daigle with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. You can reach me at 239-351-5556. Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. If you found this episode helpful, I invite you to continue this series. Just click on the next video, and together we'll help you make smarter real estate decisions. Thank you.